morning, Urban Beach Restaurant. I'm Bea Eunice. How may I help you?
Would like to make table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I please to know whom am I speaking to?
Miss Viloria.
Miss Viloria, should I make this table reservation in your name?
Yes,
When do you want to make the reservation, ma'am?
for tonight.
For how many people, Miss Viloria?
Oh,
At what time, Miss Viloria?
8 p.m.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
I repeat your table booking.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are having a table reservation at 8 p.m. for 2 persons in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Viloria.
Yes.
Miss Viloria, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Urban Beach Restaurant. We look forward in welcoming you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Urban Beach Restaurant. May I please to know if there are reservations under your name?
Yes, I have a reservation in the name of Viloria.
Let me check, ma'am. Your table is ready. Follow me. Follow me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I fill your glass with distilled water or iced tea?
Yes, please, can I have iced tea?
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's our menu for your selection. There are your choice for appetizer, soup, salad, and dress, dessert, and drinks. And for tonight, chef special, we have, and for my recommendation, may I suggest a red iced tea, as it is one of our best sellers. And I'm sorry to inform you, ma'am, that the bartender is temporarily unavailable. I will take your order wherever you're ready, ma'am. Please excuse myself. For your main dish, ma'am, how about a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon or Beringer, a Californian wine, as well as a sweet vanilla and richness of the oak flavors, and with a hint of spice is a great pair for your steak. May I repeat your order, ma'am? For your main dish, I rib eye steak in a glass of Beringer. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
By the way, ma'am, I am Bea Eunice. I will be your service this afternoon. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah, I see two silverwares. This is your steak knife, dinner fork for your iced tea. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear your table? Excuse me, ma'am.
My bill, please.
Here your bill, ma'am. I received 2,500, ma'am. With your change, ma'am. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Here your receipt and change. Thank you for coming.
Wonderful service.
I will accompany, ma'am. This way, ma'am.